In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email list in iContact. We'll walk through setting up a clean, organized list so you can target the right subscribers with the right messages. First, open your browser, go to app.icontact.com and sign into your account. After you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the left side menu, look for Contacts. This is your hub for managing people, details, and subscriptions. Inside Contacts, select Lists. This page shows any lists you already have. If you're just starting, it may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. To create a new list, click the button labeled Create List, or it may appear as Add New List, depending on your view. Give your list a clear, descriptive name like Newsletter Subscribers or Leads 2026. Think of names you and your team will instantly understand later. The name is internal, so you can be specific about audience or purpose. When you're happy with it, click Save. You'll now see your new list appear under My Lists, confirming it's ready for contacts. Next, let's add people to the list. On the Lists page, find the list you just created and click Add Subscribers. You have a few options here. If you have a spreadsheet, choose the Import option and upload a CSV file. Make sure each contact includes a valid email address. If your file includes headers like email, first name, and last name, you'll be able to map those fields during import so the data goes into the right places. Take a moment to review the mapping screen and fix anything that's mismatched. As a best practice, keep your import file clean. One contact per row, consistent column headers, and no blank lines. Save it as UTF-8 to preserve special characters and names. If duplicates slip in, the system typically prevents exact duplicates on the same list, but it's still smart to tidy your data before you upload. If you only need to add a few people, you can enter them manually one at a time. This is useful for quick updates or small batches, and it's a great time to include first and last names for personalization later. There's also a copy and paste option for adding multiple contacts at once. Whichever method you choose, double-check for typos, remove extra spaces, and ensure you have permission to email these contacts to keep your list healthy and compliant. When you finish, your list is created, populated, and ready to use in future campaigns. That's all it takes to build a focused email list in iContact. Sign in, open contacts, create your list, and add subscribers with the method that fits your workflow.